Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jim, and this is Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. Today we're going to be doing a reveal of the finished 1955 Chevy by AMT. But first, I would like to just say a few words why I haven't had a video up in a week. On the 3rd of July, I guess it was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or 3 o'clock by the time we had to put our best friend down, and that was my dog Pickles. He was a healthy dog. On the 2nd, he was fine, never had any problems. He was healthy his whole life. He was 8 years old, and on the 1st, we celebrated his 8th birthday. During the day, he became real lethargic, and his abdomen had swollen. We thought maybe he had bloat. He was a Cane Corso. They're known for that. So we rushed him to the vet. They did a X-ray, and seeing that his stomach was full of fluid. They took a sample of that fluid and it was blood. So they took him and they did a ultrasound, and they found that he had had a tumor on his spleen that nobody could have known, that burst. And if we didn't bring him in, he was going to pass away here in 2 or 3 hours. So, the ultimate thing we had to do was we had to put him down. Hardest thing in our life. He was our best friend. He was my wife's companion. And it's just the saddest day. And we had just a terrible 4th weekend. We're still to this day, just mourning his loss. And he was in our life and everything we did. So I just want to let you know what's been going on here. And that's behind us now. We're trying to get past it, and I'm going to try to get back to my building models. So with that, the AMT 55 Chevy is finished, and I think I'm going to bring it down to this camera here, and we'll get started, and I'll do the reveal. All right, there it is. AMT's 1955 Chevy BelAir Sedan. It is finished. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Get my master builder out. Let's see. So I was going to build just a nice street rod. Of course, I couldn't let it go that way. I had to, I tubbed it out with a tub kit from MCV. It's got a 4-link suspension. The engine is a Chevy GEN 3 with a Tremec 5-speed trans. And the paint on it is by Tropical Glitz. It's a pearl white and a, let's see here. It's a candy blue. Interior is a tan, just rattle can. Tires are Micky Thompson's front and rear. Gen 3 engine has a cross ram with 4 Weber carburetors on it. Wheels and tires are by JAYS Resins. Rims are Weld Magnum III. Drag rims, bead locks. Micky Thompson cheater slicks, 17-inch and 15-inch in the rear, front. It's got an Optima battery by MCV, Excel distributor and coil. I think they're also by all the coils by MCV. It's got cherry bomb mufflers. Shifter is by MCV. The Recaro seats are by MCV. Primer is Tamiya gray with a silver base coat. Oh, let's see here. Kit was a nice kit to build. Didn't really have any trouble with it. Let me take the hood off. And you can see the engine there. I'll take it down closer in a moment. Paint job came out really nice. Roof was sanded, trunk sanded, and hood sanded. Did not sand and polish the sides. And with that, let me take it down closer for a closer look. Okay. Here's some close-up shots of it. The chrome is all bare metal foil around the windows and all the side trim. Here's the detail on the engine. Plug wires, battery wired, coil. It's got some brake lines coming off the master cylinder. It's got an electric fan I put on it. No room back there for a regular fan. We turn it over. Not sure why it's not in focus. There's the 4-link, Micky Thompson's, exhaust with the cherry bombs. Came out real nice. Stance came out real nice. It sits nice. There we go. Here's the interior with the Recaro seats. The hood back on. There she is. That's my '55 Chevy. Real happy with it. Now moving on to my next build, which is a 67 Chevelle. That's my final on the 55 Chevy. And I hope everybody's doing well out there in model making land. If you can, please like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what you think. Any changes I should have done, anything differently I should have done, let me know. And till then, peace, take care, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.